Have you ever needed to duplicate a page in your PDF but couldn't find a simple and free solution? Whether you're creating invoices, worksheets, forms, presentations, or reports, copying PDF pages manually can be frustrating and time-consuming. Problem: most online PDF tools either require registration, add watermarks, limit features, or upload your files to external servers, putting your privacy at risk. Duplicating multiple PDF pages manually can also waste valuable time and reduce productivity. Solution: introducing Softaken duplicate PDF pages online free. A fast, secure, and browser-based tool that lets you duplicate any PDF page in just a few clicks. Simply upload your PDF, choose the page or pages you want to duplicate, preview the changes, and download your updated PDF instantly. Everything works directly in your browser, so there's no software installation required. The toolkit emphasizes local browser processing, making it fast and privacy-focused. Benefits of duplicate PDF pages: private and secure. Files stay on your device. 100% free, no account or subscription required. No installation, works directly in your browser. Instant processing, duplicate PDF pages in seconds. Original file safe. Your source PDF remains unchanged. Cross-platform support. Works on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iPhone. How to use. Step 1. Upload your PDF. Drag and drop your PDF or click Browse to upload it. Step 2. Configure options. Set margins, ranges, or other settings shown in the Workspace panel. Step 3. Download result. Click Process, then download your updated PDF with duplicated pages instantly. Save time and duplicate PDF pages effortlessly with Softaken duplicate PDF pages online free. Try it today and organize your PDF documents faster, easier, and more efficiently. Visit the Softaken online document toolkit and start using it for free. Thanks for watching.